In today's video, I want to show you how to enable dark mode on iPhone. So to enable dark mode on iPhone, I want you to go to your settings first. So once you tap on settings, it will bring you to your settings app on your iPhone. So I want you to scroll down and tap on display and brightness. So once you tap on display and brightness, it will bring you to this page. On this page, if you check the top, you are going to see where it says appearance. So under the appearance, you can see we have two things there. We have the light mode and we have the dark mode. So my iPhone is currently on light mode. So to enable the dark mode, you just want to tap on the dark. So you can see once you tap on the dark, your iPhone will change to dark mode. So guys, this is how you can actually enable dark mode on your iPhone. I hope this video helped you. Thanks for watching.